We got some big news for CoreWeave stock investors, and I know many of you are interested in this company because of its big sell-off and because of its robust growth rate increasing by more than 100% year over year on the top line. So I'm going to share with you the details of these latest developments and what it could mean for CoreWeave stock investors. One of the latest developments is that they brought on board John Jones, which will join the company as its chief revenue officer, coming from AWS, Amazon Web Services, where he served as global head of startups and venture capital. For newer companies like CoreWeave to attract talent such as John Jones away from Amazon is a big win for the company, shoring up its management team, bringing on board expertise from a company like Amazon, which has been operating the web services segment for a long time. Also, CoreWeave hopes to have relationships with Amazon, and bringing on board one of its former employees will help the company in gaining information on how to deal with large cloud service providers like Amazon, as well as like Microsoft, Alphabet, and the other participants in this category. So CoreWeave's management team also gave us more information about their proposed acquisition of Core Scientific, which was terminated in October. Now, while the deal made sense strategically for both companies, the valuation required by their shareholders was simply not a price that was appropriate for CoreWeave, particularly because the outcome of the transaction in no way adversely impacts their ability to achieve their growth ambitions in the coming years. So this is positive for one specific reason for CoreWeave stock investors, and that's the fact that CoreWeave's management team looks and shows prudence here by not overbidding for this acquisition. They were interested at a certain price point, but if the price point was well above that level, they're willing to walk away, and that shows prudence. And that's the kind of company that investors should want to invest in, a company that shows prudence when making acquisitions, because a lot of businesses, when they make acquisitions, they overpay, and it results in poor performance and not realizing the returns on invested capital that was initially forecasted. So instead, they will continue to work closely with Core Scientific on the approximately 590 megawatts of capacity they've already leased from the company. Click the link below to watch the full video.